Show me what you got, hey, show me what you got, hey.
What's up, YouTube? This your man Calico, The Truth Reviews, and I'm back in the building with another video. And today, I got a special unboxing for you guys. I went to the gun store. Crazy story, guys, crazy story. I actually went to Adventure Outdoors out here in Atlanta, Georgia. I went to Adventure Outdoors and copped this AR-15, but quick backstory. Let me backpedal a little bit. So last month I went to Adventure Outdoors and my mom, she was actually in the midst of buying a handgun for herself. So shout out to mom, all right? Shout out to mama. She actually went and got a 38 revolver, all right? So boom, my mom ended up getting the revolver, and I was going to go there to actually go shop around for a shotgun. And then I saw that they actually sent me an email about an AR-15, which was the ATI, I think it was another AR rifle that they had on sale. You know, it's pretty cheap, like $379.99. Cool, whatever. So, you know, I had been waiting around for like days for them to call me back since I put it in as a special order because they didn't have any in stock. So boom, from that whole scenario, 30 days go by, well past 30 days actually, because it took more than 30 days for them to actually not reach out to me for me to actually go up there and they actually tell me, hey, well, our special orders guy is sick, he's out right now, so hey, how about you take a look at this other AR that we got back there, and I'll shave off the price for you since you've been waiting. I'll give you a deal. You know what I'm saying? So here we are now. I did actually purchase my first AR-15 rifle. It is the Andro Corporation's AR-15 chambered in 5.56 and 223. All right, so the Andro Corporation's AR-15 chambered in 5.56 and 223. All right, and the price for this one was $429.99. Of course, it's a budget AR, but you know, cool. I mean, for your first AR, you know, you don't necessarily have to go and get all this Gucci gear for your first AR-15 rifle. And plus, I've been hearing so many good things about this rifle that it's a pretty good budget-friendly option. Just something for you to start with, something to play around with. Of course, shout out to my man Al, man. You know what I'm saying? That's my dude. So we just got off the phone. But yeah, I'm definitely I'm hyped. I'm excited. I had only saw it in the store once when I first took a look at it, but here we are. All right, so let's go ahead and open up the box, shall we? All right. So this is the AR-15 rifle in itself. I'll go ahead and get a zoom in on that there. And all right. So this is the AR-15 rifle itself. Has a nice shoulder stock here. I wonder if it'll actually, is it collapsible? Like a shoulder stock here. And then also you got all right, you guys, so for this intents and purposes of this video, it is safe. There's no ammo in the chamber. It is safe. So just wanted to let you guys know that it is safe and there's no round in the chamber. All right, receiver here. Like you charge your receiver there. You know, I'm just now getting into the AR-15 world, y'all, so give me some grace. All right, I'm still learning. But yeah, I'm definitely excited about this rifle here. Definitely very nice. Definitely gonna have my man Al show me some of the things about this AR-15 that I need to definitely do some research about. But yeah, man, this was just a quick unboxing, man. I wanted to show you guys my new AR-15 rifle. Let's see. Also, what we got in the box here, let's check out what else comes in the box, because I didn't actually check what comes in the box, you guys, but I do wanted to show you guys this because it's definitely a nice budget-friendly option, all right? Also comes in this box here. It should be the magazine. Okay, so I get a 30 round magazine. It says polymer 223-556, 30 round capacity. I know sometimes you can actually go and get 60 round mags as well, but definitely a good alternative when you actually go and buy an AR-15. So this is a very good alternative, you guys. So I'm definitely gonna be trying to stock up on a few of these things. And also, you got your lock for your AR-15. Please, please, guys. You know, I'm an advocate for guns, but I also believe in firearm safety. Always be able to put your rifles and your handguns. Go ahead and lock them up. Keep them away from your children. So I'm gonna always tell you that. Always practice safety first, all right? And that's all that comes in the box. Is that all that comes in the box? Oh, look like I got a sticker here. All right, got a nice little sticker. And I also got quality and integrity from Andro Corp Industries. It also shows you some stuff there. And it says ACI does not warranty issues stemming from firing reloaded ammunition. So be very careful with that, all right? Let's see, what else we got here? We also got an Andro Corp Industries mini manual right here about cleaning the lower receiver, lubrication, field stripping it, also cleaning and maintenance, using CLP or quality gun cleaner across the areas, brushing any dirt from the trigger mechanism. And you know, you can always change out things on ARs, man. That's why I like ARs so much. But yeah, just basically telling you how to actually open the bolt and also charging it, doing the necessary things to actually keep it in good maintenance and good shape, all right? But I do love this new AR-15, you guys. I know it's been a while since I've done a gun video on my channel because, you know, just in general, like I don't promote gun violence. I don't promote anything that's negative, but I'm an advocate of actually protecting your home and actually practicing gun safety. So with that being said, you know, I do appreciate each and every one of you guys for checking out the video, but this is my first AR-15 rifle. So for you as well, I'm getting notifications, but for you as well, if you decide to go and get an AR-15, or you already have one, put it in the comment section. Let me know what you guys have. If you guys enjoy going out to the range and shooting around, because it actually can be fun, man, when you actually go out with your significant other or your friends to actually just go out and go shoot around, you know, actually have fun with each other. So it's nothing negative about going out with your friends and family and learning certain things about gun safety and always just looking forward to being safe all in all. That's just the main situation, you guys. You got to always think about being safe. That's number one. All right. So I'm definitely excited about this AR-15. It's a very nice gun. I'm loving it. Well, it's a nice rifle. I'm loving this rifle. It is very nice. And yeah, I will be giving it a shot and definitely trying it out. And I will do a follow-up video, probably a vlog. I'll do a vlog at the gun range. Probably me and the wife and a few other friends will go out and we'll shoot around and show you guys that it's a pretty good gun and show you guys just some of the target practice. If you guys want to see that, man, y'all let me know in the comment section and we're going to work towards getting that together for you guys, because I know I definitely enjoy things like that as well. So we'll definitely do that. All right. With that being said, guys, I do appreciate each and every one of you guys for checking out the video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And this has been your man Calico, the Truth Reviews. I do appreciate each and every one of you guys again. You guys take care of yourselves and each other. And I'm going to catch y'all on the next video. Peace.